Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I have an unboxing video. This is my Citrus Twist Kits order for November and I haven't opened it yet. I literally met the mail lady at my door and when I got home from work today, and that was about 15 minutes ago. So I haven't opened it. I have just cut the tape so that I can quickly open it for you guys. But this is probably going to be a bit longer of a haul video. Just because I know I went a little overboard. If you haven't seen the Sunshine in My Soul November kit from Citrus Twist, they are gorgeous and they have the amazing whimsical collection from Paige Evans and Pink Paisley. So yeah, I had to get more than usual. So maybe grab a cup of something. I have some tea here. I have my favorite Tazo glazed lemon loaf tea, and we're just gonna go through these kits and see what's here. So gorgeously packed as always. I'm just gonna open this up. And here is the Pocket Life kit. There are a few extras in here that I purchased. And then the embellishment kit, it looks like. And then I got the scrapbook kit this month because it was just too gorgeous not to. And I was planning to buy a bunch of the whimsical collection anyway. So I figured why not just get it this way, and then it would be a fully curated kit to go along with it. So that's what I did. Okay, so let's start with the scrapbook kit. So let's open it up. This is the first scrapbook kit I've ever purchased from Citrus Twist. I've been eyeing them, of course, the whole time that I've been a subscriber, but I do more project life than I do large-scale scrapbooking, so I've gone with that. But yeah, just could not resist this kit. So let's look at the embellishments first. So here's the stamp. You can see that. There's this little field notes bit, and then it says, just the right mix of chaos and love. Together we make a family. Family, full heart, heartfelt dialogue, and my happy. I love that font. I love this. It's like a cursive typewriter style font. And then we also get a little bit of trim. That'll be fun to play with. Little pom-pom trim. We get a few of the tassel clips from, I think these are from Whimsical. I'm pretty sure these are from Whimsical. So there's those. And then the Whimsical, it's stuck together. There, the Whimsical ephemera. And there is what's in that package. I'm not gonna open it up. I'll just let you take a look there. We also got the Whimsical enamel shapes. So there are butterflies and hearts and flowers and stars, and then some dots as well. And then, these, oh my goodness. The Whimsical puffy stickers. This is everything. I love this so much. I'm gonna have to get more. I can already tell. I'm gonna need like 3 packages of these. They're gorgeous. Okay, putting them down, moving on. We also got this Puffy Alphas. This is from Pink Fresh Studios. It's from the Indigo Hills 2 collection, and it's 4 colors. And it's slightly smaller than the regular Puffy Alphas that we're used to from Pink Fresh, which makes them just so perfect for Pocket Life or Project Life, for pocket pages. So I'm very excited to have those, and 4 colors too. That's so awesome. Okay, there are those. And then we get the Sunday sketches for November, a little label cut apart sheet, and then 1 little card. That's the little thank you card from Citrus Twist. Very pretty. And then the papers. Oh my goodness. This one on top just has me all hard eyes because that is gorgeous. So this is paper number 5 from Whimsical. On the back, it's a rainbow stripe on the diagonal. And then there's paper number 3 from Whimsical, that floral. You know, I'm not a huge floral person. I mean, I like florals and I do use some of them, but I'm not like, have to have all the florals. But this is gorgeous. I have no idea how I'll use it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And then the back is this kind of crosshatch pattern in pink. Then this is from Maggie Holmes Willow Lane. It has these adorable cuckoo clocks and blue, it's a squared kind of dot pattern on the back. This is from Whimsical as well. It's another floral, but it's a smaller pattern, and the back is a yellow stripe. This is from Gal Meets Glam from My Mind's Eye, which I didn't know this collection before I saw it in this kit, in the preview for this kit. It was brand new to me, but look at that. I mean, that is just gorgeous. I love this color combo so much. I'm so excited to use this. I'm not sure how yet. I'm actually thinking of slipping this into my December daily, but I'm not sure. It's not really the colors that I have picked out, but oh, it's gorgeous. So that's that one. Another paper from Willow Lane from Maggie Holmes. It's this what are they called? Unicorn print, and then a black dot on the back, which I'm not sure if I'll ever use this, but this I will absolutely use. Another Whimsical paper number 2, has these multicolored kind of paint splotches, and then the back is another rainbow stripe and alternating diagonal, kind of a chevron or herringbone stripe. This is actually from Pick Me Up, from Paige Evans Pick Me Up. It's paper number 22, and I don't have much from this collection, so that's very nice to have. I really like this. It's a very light, kind of a pink, I think, X and O pattern. Very cute. And then, of course, we get 2 sheets of white cardstock. So that is the scrapbook kit, and then I also picked up the embellishment kit because it's more whimsical, so of course I had to get that. So it's the Whimsical chipboard thickers. It's 2-sided, so there's side 1 and side 2. So adorable. All these little tiny pieces, the little paint tubes and glue guns and pens and crayons and paintbrushes. Ugh, they're so adorable. That little scissors, oh my goodness. Ugh. I'm so enamored with this collection. Okay, and then we also get the Whimsical rub-ons from Pink Paisley and Paige Evans. This is part of the embellishment kit. Oh, okay, I have to let my cat out. Hold on, just 1 second. Okay, so rub-ons. Sorry about that. I hardly ever use rub-ons. I don't think I have very many in my collection or in my stash, but these are really pretty, and I've heard good things about how well they work, so I'm very excited to try them and see how I might be able to use them. Okay, so that is the embellishment kit. Let's move on to the Pocket Life kit. So again, this is the November Sunshine in My Soul Pocket Life kit. Okay, so there's the one little thank you card that we get with each kit. And I've seen sneaks of this, and oh my goodness, it might be my favorite, because this right here, look at that. As a librarian and an avid reader, I need 20 of these cards. I'm actually thinking about doing a little what I read this year Traveler's Notebook, and I actually didn't read as much this year as I do most, so it should be pretty easy to fit into a single Traveler's Notebook this year. But I love this, and I have some other things I think I can add to it, so we'll see. Maybe I'll do that. So this is the first one, and on the back it says Close to Perfect, and then grow, take risks, break the rules, make mistakes, have fun. And on the back it has this really pretty typewriter print. It says pumpkin pie, fireplace, apple cider, family and friends. So really perfect for fall. And then this gorgeous kind of tone on tone mustardy yellow floral print. And on the back, it's just a little label with a ledger print, a multicolored stripe in these gorgeous, gorgeous jewel tones. Oh, I love these colors. And then when you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. I love that too. Exciting places for boring people. That is a little bit too perfect. And I was born to be wild, but only until about 9 p.m. or so. Oh my goodness. I may be purchasing the digital version of these because I'm gonna want to use both sides. So this one says today, and some space for journaling, and autumn, more space for journaling, and this really pretty pattern. And on the back, it says indescribable beauty, indescribable feelings. And you've got this in kind of an ombre print. I love these shades of blue. And this kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a label print, I guess. It's very interesting. This chapter feels really good. I love that too. And then, oh, it's the same kind of scallopy border print there. These adorable birds. And oh, the same. So there are 3 of those. That's kind of nice. And then happy little moments and things to remember. And then another floral print. It's very light blue on white, and on the back it has some red kind of leafy print and some lines for journaling. So those are the journaling cards. We also get a set of puffy stickers. It says thankful and blessed, and the sun took a step back, getting things done. I'm ready for the weekend, always. It's weathering, letting things go, brave, magic, wake up, weekend, life is good, dancing in the breeze. Oh, can you see that? Messy hair, big sweaters, delicious autumn, happy, and it's that time of year. And then all these tiny little stars, which are adorable. So there's also the ephemera pack, and I'll let you just take a look at that. I love these leaves, this kind of dark, I think it's blue, with all the multicolored little printed leaves. I love that. We also get a set of chipboard stickers this month. So circles and hearts. Love that. Warm tea, that's perfect. That reminds me, I have tea right here. Another stamp set. It has the same fonts, so it works really well with the other one. Let me grab it here and show you how similar they are, how well they work oh, there. How well they work together. So this one has this experience, unforgettable, not worth it, and makes me smile. And then my thoughts on this, approved, highlights, and then the days of the week, gathering together, dinner, outing, time, happy things, and family. So really great for all of the upcoming family gatherings. That'll get lots of use. The alpha is this really pretty green alpha. It's like it's not really mint. It's a bit more green than mint, but it works really well with the Whimsical collection. So very excited about that. And then there are the 6x8 papers and the 4x6 cards. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay, so let's start with the cards. There is this really gorgeous floral in kind of fallish colors. And on the back it says, all I see is magic. And then there's this houses print. And on the back it's speech bubbles. Very cool. Then another label cut apart, of course. And then the papers. And I've seen these, the sneaks of these, and oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. Look at all these bright colors. How well is that gonna go with the Whimsical collection? I mean, it's like perfect. There's that one. Dot. It's word phrase paper that is so beautiful. It has these really light kind of highlights on some of the words. More of that gorgeous tone on tone mustardy yellow print. Oh my goodness, this leaf print is gorgeous. I love that so much. And then a black and white print, a teal print with stars, and it's kind of distressed. It looks a little like mixed media. And a ledger with a little pink label at the top. Some adorable apples. I love that too. And butterflies. And then a geometric print in kind of orangey peachy colors. And then a gray and white print. And oh, those are gorgeous. Those are the best exclusive papers I've seen so far. I love those so much. Okay, so that is the Pocket Life kit. And then I picked up a few other things from the shop. I've been gradually just buying a few things here and there since I only recently subscribed to Citrus Twist. There's lots of inventory that I don't have that is super adorable. So I picked up this die cut pack. I think this was from last April maybe, if I'm remembering correctly, but I bought it because mostly for this, for that right there, the little reading girl with a bun. How perfect is that? I love that so much. But there's also these little pencils that are adorable and that get out there. It's very cute, very, very adorable. And I love the colors in this as well. So like I said, not new, but I don't have it. It's new to me. So I was excited to pick that up. And then this, I think, is from the same kit, the same time. And it's puffy stickers. So I thought it went really well with this. I don't know if you can see. It matches really well. So I thought I'd pick that up too because, well, puffy stickers, you can't ever have too many of those. And then I also got the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane decorative trim. It's a gold star decorative trim. And I bought this specifically to add to my December daily stash. So it was something that I was looking for anyway. It's part of the Grace Box kit this month, I think. I think you get a bit of it in the Grace Box kit, but I'm not a Bible journaler. That's not something that I do. And I considered buying it just for that. And I mean, the other stuff in it was really cute too. I wouldn't use it for Bible journaling, but I considered it. And then I found this in the shop by itself. So I just decided to get this instead. And I don't think you get the full package in the Grace Box. I could be wrong, but if I'm remembering correctly, I think you just get a partial bit of it. So I decided to get this and add it to my December daily, and that is it. That is my Citrus Twist kit stash for this month. It's amazing as always. I am so happy that I decided to subscribe to these kits. I couldn't love them more. They're working out perfectly. I've done other kits in the past from other companies, and I never ended up using them. They just sat around in my stash for way too long, longer than I'd really like to admit, without getting used. But these get used. I go through my Citrus Twist stash all the time. I use it up. So I'm happy to have been a subscriber now for a few months. And if the scrapbook kits are this good in the future, I may be adding to my subscription. But you know, don't tell my partner. He won't appreciate that. Anywho, that's my stash for this month. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything I've shown you today, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and I will see you back here soon. Bye-bye.